Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Firstly, you need to access settings. Now click on connection and sharing here. Scroll down and select print. After that, you can click on default print service or select add print service and install preferable one. I will go with HP1. When it's ready, click on the back button twice. Now tap on one of your printing services and click on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!